Hi, welcome to Truckee Dog TV. So today we're in a big snowstorm. Doing our dog walk. I think we got about a foot of fresh snow. It's still snowing. Come on, Olivia. Look at Charlie and Brody. They love this. Olivia, let's go. Olivia, want this? Want this? Roo. Roo. Roo is made for snow. Roo. The doodles are pretty snowy. See, there's Brody. That's Hammer, Phoebe, Rocks. So this is our December of 22 Sierra snowstorm. There's Brody. Dogs love it. Phoebe, look how snowy you are. Thanks for watching Truckee Dog TV. Hopefully the storm will continue and we'll even get more snow. Olivia!